It is indeed a great honor to be allowed to give a short introduction and welcome you all to the opening of our brand new Center for Excellence in Education, Center for Sustainable Healthcare Education. It's about providing students with competence and skills, tools that, includes sustainability in their professional choices and in their skills. And that's important, I think. This enables them to become major change agents within health service on individual, societal, global level. And this is completely in line with the university strategy for the next 10 years, the strategy 2030, where contributions to the UN Sustainable Development Agenda is like a red thread, or I like to call it a green thread through our whole strategy, and that's important. Good health and well-being is one of the 17 goals of the Sustainable Development Agenda, but they're connected to others as well, of course. Fighting poverty, clean water and sanitation, you have the one on reducing inequality, you have zero hunger. And these challenges are all interlinked, and I think that's one of the major challenges of science and education in the times to come. Finding solutions requires this interdisciplinarity, and it also requires partnerships, cooperation across disciplines and across different sectors. And that's important when we evolve our study programs. So it's my hope that she will become a catalyst for this knowledge hub, tying together research, education, innovation, and dissemination. And I'm sure that the center will be a good example on how we can do that at the university to contribute to the development agenda. The establishment by itself shows how you as scientists are affected by the UN Sustainable Development Agenda, and use this when you develop new type of programs. So we have two distinguished keynote speakers here today, Vice Chancellor at Karolinska Institute, Ole Ottersen, and Trisha Greenhalgh, Professor of Primary Healthcare Sciences at the University of Oxford. And that's a great pleasure to welcome you to this seminar. My predecessor as a rector at the University of Oslo, Ole Petter, has long been engaged internationally with the issue of inequalities in access to healthcare, amongst others as a chair of the Lancet University of Oslo Commission on Global Governance for Health. And it's happy to see you, Ole Petter, and I can assure you that initiative you have taken at the University of Oslo on interdisciplinarity, on life science, and on global healthcare is live and kicking here at the University of Oslo still, and that's important. With regards to our other keynote speaker, Professor Trisha Greenhalgh, she is an internationally recognized academic in primary healthcare, combining social sciences and medicine, and also focusing on technology, again showing what we really need to do more of in the future, this combination of different fields and different parts of the whole palette of different subjects of science. She's going to talk to us about the initiative in light of the pandemic, the SHE initiative, and that's very important and interesting, of course. I would also stress that these are only parts of an interesting, highly interesting program that also involves students, and I think that's really beautiful, and I really look forward to today's seminar. I'm able to stay for 1 hour only, but I'm really looking forward to that. And with this, I really welcome you, and I wish you best of luck with this important seminar. And this is only the start, of course, of a very important center for University of Oslo, for the faculty, and I think for Norway, really. So good luck with the seminar, and thank you so much for your efforts.